What's up, guys? Welcome to the Arsenal MKG YouTube channel. My name is Adam Middlesworth, part of the Arsenal marketing team. In today's video, I'm going to go over exactly what you should be doing with real estate lead follow-up. We're going to go over emails, how to do buyer leads emails, seller leads emails, maybe even emails from, if you get leads from Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, how to follow up with those leads. We're going to go over text messaging sequences, and then we're also going to go through some Facebook Messenger bot sequences as well. So if you guys want some of these, I'm going to have the email templates below, so you can click on that and download what I'm going to show you here today. So I'm going to jump right into the computer and show you guys exactly what our email sequences look like. So here are a few of our buyer leads email series here, right? So on day one, we're going to shoot them. So if it's a listing, if it's a list of homes that you are advertising, what you can do is immediately send them the info that they're requesting, right? So this is not the initial email that we're going to send them. The initial email that we're going to send to them immediately is whatever they requested, right? So ethically, we want to give them what they requested in the ad. So if it's a listing, the photos, price, location, we're going to send them all that information in the initial ad, and then we can follow up with them, right? So day one, immediately send them the info. On day three, we're going to send them an email that says, house hunting, I saw that you looked at a few homes online. If you sent them to your website with your IDX feed, and they're searching for homes, you can say, hey, I saw that you were searching. Do you have any questions? Really, the point of any follow-up is to generate a response, right? So if we can give them a little bit of value and then ask a question, that's going to be our best bet in getting a conversation, right? Because that's the whole point of a follow-up email, follow-up text, follow-up phone call. All of it is to create a conversation so they can get them as a client, right? So moving on here in email 2 on day 7, we're going to say your home search. Hope your home search is going well. Question, right? Are you having trouble with your search? Do you need anything from me at this stage? So we're always kind of asking questions to get a response from them. And then on the day 12, we say, hey, checking in. Have you found anything? So you can kind of see a repetitive nature of all of our emails, really short, asking a question, right? Day 20, I'm really not going to sell you is the subject line, but now hope you know that I'm not trying to sell you, ask a question, right? So really that's as simple as that. We have seller leads email series here, where on day 1, you're going to shoot them out whatever questions that they have about their home. Going forward, I'd like to share with you some of the best best advice anybody's ever given me on selling homes. Are you available this afternoon for a quick call? Day 5, we're basically trying to get them to book a time to schedule with them, with you on selling their home, right? And you can kind of see, if you click on the link below this, the email templates, you can download this exact same document. But like I said, even if you're getting leads from Trulia, Zillow, Realtor.com, we have series on this. And if you go into our website, you can, or excuse me, our software, if you create lead pages, all of our lead pages have follow-ups assigned to that lead page. So if you create another lead page here, and we've got listing, open house, seller tips, sellers, again, buyer leads, no listing. If we just click on the listing leads, so you say you have a home that you've listed for sale, you want to advertise that home. Let's just save this and exit just so that you can see the follow-up. So when we create that website, boom, we already have all of these follow-ups set for you, right? So if you want to go and edit these, you just click on one of them. You can go in here and edit the address, edit the asking price, edit the link, all of those things, and you can go in and edit all of these emails. You can also go and add the text messages for them as well, so that you have texts going out to your list. And the same thing applies, right? So if you have an email here, all we're going to do is ask them a question, right? So we would essentially just do this for our text message as well, right? So, hey, I want to make sure, do you have 5 minutes? Or you can even input your Calendly link here. Schedule a quick call with me using this link, your Calendly link, right? And then if they're interested in scheduling a call with you, they can schedule a call, and then you'll publish this, and you can have all of your emails and text messages within the platform, right? You can also go to messages here on the left and have a buyer and seller leads email series going out to all of your leads that come in, right? So same thing, you've just got all of these here. It's the exact email series that I went over in the buyer leads email series. You just have it set up within the software, so you don't even have to go and automatically manually send those emails. The other thing that I would do is add Facebook Messenger to all of your campaigns. It's been a great tool for all of our clients, and it's something that I would highly suggest doing. The open rates are kind of insane for sending messages. So you can see here 132 people got on the list, sent to 131. It was opened by 127, and then 100 clicked on it. And you can ask some really cool questions here. What home type are you looking for? Is this your first property purchase? What's their credit score? How long are they looking? What will the property be used for? Have they filed for bankruptcy? Income? Are they working with an agent or not? So some of those things are really cool so that you can gather more information without you having to do a ton of work. And the lead has a good experience as well because they're getting followed up with. And the more times that they click on this, the more likely they are to engage in an actual conversation with you. If you want to email, if you want these messenger templates, you have to comment on this video and we will send you the template if you comment, if you like the video, and if you subscribe. So again, in the description below, we have the email templates that you can download and use on any platform, whether it's Arsenal or not. And then you can also comment and we will send you the messenger templates as well. If you guys have any questions, again, comment below and be happy to help you. See you in the next video.